Useless movie with my wife, Titanic. I've been at Titanic. As we all sit down, nothing pay me pass the Rose won't kill herself, just one jump, one fool, just wear suit. Just waka come. Say, Rose, if you jump, I will jump. As the guy they talk, I throw away face because me and my wife they watch, I all throw away my face. Now my wife just asked me, say, honey, can you die for me? I don't know what they do women. Why be say for relationship when they find men we go die for now? Say, can you die for me? That last say, Jesus Christ will not die for you. What you don't give up?
Welcome to another interesting episode of Naija Top 5 Comedy, brought to you by your one and only Ficus TV, the only entertainment platform worldwide that is in full support of comedy. And on this show, we'll be giving you the best of the stand-up comedy that we have collected from all the shows we have been to in Nigeria and beyond. And I don't always do this alone. I do it with one of the best also in the city which we are doing this from, which is Port Harcourt. Before I introduce the guy, my name is Austin Okolo, and we'll be right back. Alright, welcome back. Remember, you're watching Naija Top 5 Comedy. Today, as my guest, is one of the smartest, the youngest in the industry. He's creative. The confidence is over the board. That he's so confident of himself. He's very, very little, but his mouth sharp. It's no other person than Payo Gee. Thank you for honoring our invitation. Thank you for honoring our invitation. So, I want to tell you what you have gotten yourself into by coming to sit beside me. I'm going to give you 4 clues about the other 4. The other comedians that are on this list. If you don't get them right, I'm going to collect something from your body, or you voluntarily drop something from your body. It's not funny, no laugh, because today you are in the midst. Your list is one of the heaviest ever in this show. Are you ready, sir?
Yes.
All right, so let's go. Your number 1 is a Nigerian stand-up comedian. He was born in Port Harcourt, Rivers State, but grew up in Nembe, Bayelsa State. He's a native of Bayelsa, the second son and the 5th born in the family of 7. In 2013, he won the Best Comedian in Bayelsa at an event organized by Bayelsa Hall of Fame Award, BHFA. On 2nd December 2017, he won Comedy Central Grab the Mic with Martina, held at Aproko Conventional Center. On the 6th of May 2018, he won the Ibile Comedy Challenge, also held at Eko Conventional Center. He came to limelight after winning a particular show recently. He's also one of the top person in government in his particular state. Who is this comedian? In 5 seconds, let's go. Boom. Boom.
Aproko.
Congratulations. You got it right. Okay. MC Aproko real name is Gift Loveday Igbongbo, professionally called MC Aproko. So, Aproko, you are our number 1 on the list today. Aproko has made like 2 appearances on this show, but you also making because Aproko is one of the best right now when it comes to comedy in Nigeria. So, before we proceed, let's see one of his performances. Aproko, here we come.
Oh, they give each other excuse, they go there. I know say now since 2015, now my father died. Since when he died, me and he never get any connection. Even when I see him complete now far, he stand away from me. Then they near me. Because it's why I win this money. The fact that they appear to me everything. Say one just one check up on me. Only me you want to check on them. Every time you check up on me. Because they appear every time. Money they sweet people well. When I be first win the 5 million, my mother just they happy normally. And governor na him won't spoil that. I think go give me
Aproko. In one word, what do you have to say about Aproko's performance in one word?
It was great.
It was great. Okay, so Aproko is our number 1. Let's move on to number 2. On number 2 this week. Are you ready, sir? Are you ready? Yes. He's from Olu in Imo State. He was born on the 30th of April, 1990. He graduated from the Federal University of Technology, Owerri. He's one of the best in Port Harcourt right now. I think he's one of the most spontaneous. He does his material and he laughs a lot anytime he does his material. He's a content producer, he's a humanitarian also. Who is this comedian in 5 seconds?
MC Acapella.
Wrong! Before I proceed, drop something first. Good. We have collected, we have started. Now we do it on this show, right? We collect. Offering time. Thank you. The person I just described, his name is Bright Uzoma, known professionally by his stage name as Advisor. So Advisor, if you're watching this show, it's so sad. Payo Gee, your boy, does not know who you are. So before we proceed, let's watch one of Advisor performance at K.O. Baba's New Year's Laughter. Advisor, here we come.
Just during lockdown, I joined NBA, joined ShadowNet. So I joined courtesan through WhatsApp group. Okay, Julius, you don't know what happened this lockdown. Hey, you know that these people where they do networking business and real estate, then be scam. I buy land. I don't know where the venue dating now. They'll come meet you say there's a land in Ipo. They'll come give you one scam. Salvation Ministry have acres of land opposite here. Dangote they have acres of land opposite you. Whereas you poverty now bad thing. You can't even say Dangote could be your neighbor. You talk about mothers. Yes, I love my mom so much. Please, all the ladies, all the women, please appreciate yourself, please. Hey, talk to that guy close to you. Hey, my friend, hello. Touch your friend, yeah? My sister, I'm a comedian, yeah? The job I'm doing is very hard.
Okay. Advisor. Okay, in one word. Payo Gee, please. Rate Advisor's performance in one word.
Very
Impressive. Advisor is also delivering 100% natural humor. So, on number 3 this week, he was born on April 4th, 1979 in Aproko, Delta State. He had his primary education at Igo-Badu Primary School. He began his secondary education at United College of Commerce, Warri, and later changed to SC College, Warri, Delta State, where he met his best friend of today as Otawari on Niaja Otas. At the early stage of his career, he got a contract as a stand-up comedian at Prestel Motel in Benin City. While expanding his profile across different events in Nigeria, he featured in Africa's biggest comedy show, Night of 1,000 Laughs, in the year 2000, where he performed for a decade and was eventually honored by the producer of the show, Mr. Opa Williams, as the most outstanding comedian to have been on the Night of 1,000 Laughs stage for 10 years. He has performed at various shows internationally, an award-winning comedian, and received several awards and recognition both nationally and internationally. In 5 seconds, who is the comedian? 1. Boom.
I will die.
die. Give me a clue. How do you know he's a go die? You need to tell me how do you. Because I don't expect you to know I go die.
He said award winning and cultural reason. So I know I go die.
Okay, you know he's a go die because you know he has won lots of awards. He didn't scan through my screen. Okay, he didn't scan through. So we give it to him. I go die is on our number 3. So before we proceed, let's see one of Agodai's performance. Agodai, here we come.
One useless movie with my wife, Titanic. I've been at Titanic. As you all see, that nothing pay me pass the Rose won't kill herself, just one jump, one fool, just wear suit. Just waka come. Say, Rose, if you jump, I will jump. As the guy they talk, I throw away face because me and my wife they watch, I all throw away my face. Now my wife just asked me, say, honey, can you die for me? I don't know what they do women. Why be say for relationship when they find men we go die for now? Say, can you die for me? That last say, Jesus Christ will not die for you. What you don't give up? We see they watch the film, they go. Nothing Mary said the guy called they sing for inside the thing. That guy now God go punish her. Rose hold Jack hand. My wife they look me through with face. Now my wife for them, my wife don't shout, wow. This na re man.
That is I go die for the over exaggerate his illustration. So I go die. Performance in one word. What do you think?
It was good.
It was good. It was good. It was good. It was good. I go die. Our number 3. Okay. So before we proceed to number 4 and to yourself, we have come to that part which we call random questions. I'm going to ask you 5 questions in a very fast succession session, and you are going to give me any answer that comes to your mind within 2 seconds. 2 things. If you fail the answer, you drop something. If you miss your timing, you drop something. Are you ready? 2 seconds everywhere, boss. Best food. Drop something. We are back, baby. We are back. Drop something. Inside all the pack bangos give me. Hey, I go soon begin reject bango. You just pack it. No, please don't give me bango again, please. Best female comedian.
Marilla.
Give it to you. Give it to you. Favorite live band. Bob. Cut and cut. Golden ring. Silver ring. Alright, you have 2 more. Favorite position. Bob.
Sleeping face up.
Cut and come on 2 seconds. Give me cut and come. You missed it. You missed it on the time. Facing up. Cut and come. Hey! I love this part of the show because it made me rich. And finally, on the random question, your celebrity crush.
Marilla.
Young Mamela. Oh! I give it to you. All right. Are you ready for the next comedian, Payo Gee?
Yes.
So the last person on our list, he hails from Warri, Delta State also. He's a stand-up comedian, professional MC, actor, OAP. He's also on one of the biggest radio show right now. I'm not going to tell you the radio station. He went to Ambrose Ali University and he's based in Port Harcourt. He's happily married to Kemi. He's a Port Harcourt based, remember? And he's one of the best in the city of Port Harcourt. Who is this comedian? In 5 seconds. Bam. 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 Boom. Woo! Feel good. Before I give you a clue, cut and come. You know they do. No cut bangos from me. Okay, let me help him. This guy just packed bangos. That's me today. Our comedian name is Mudiaga Payo. Hails from Warri. He's married to Kemi Payo. Port Harcourt, one of the biggest in the city. You know, right? It didn't even cross your mind that it's Mudiaga, right? It didn't cross your mind at all. All right, Mudiaga is on our number 4 this week. So before we proceed, let's watch one of Mudiaga's performance. All right, Mudiaga, here we come.
Pastor Kelechi communion service. Now the height difference, Abi. But you know, say you get pride. This scale, and you go see, go Facebook, go to talk about Mercy Chinwo is short. Mercy Chinwo is short. The first day when KO go house on the rock, he and the wife. As he and the wife reach center of church, the wife can't leave KO. She can't cross road, go buy something. Before she come back, she not see her husband again. They don't carry her husband go children's church. Now she called the house. Did you see my husband? The usher say, we took your son to children's church. Oh. When they reach the boy, they drink Capri Sun. Growing up, life was difficult. My father was a very harsh man. If my father slap you, you know they feel anything until after 30 minutes. My papa was good. Now my mama was fast. My mom na prayer warrior. My mom will make us fast for no reason. 6 to 6, we almost die of hunger. Now we go there. Some mommy will be fasting. Are we not going to pray? She will say no. It's not fasting and prayer. It's only fasting. Now when I don't get sense, I can't know to say. Now anytime my papa not get money, my mama do use help my papa condition. There was one of these days we were fasting. And that day I reach church. Now my drama leader come. Somebody we're acting that drama today. I said, what drama, sir? I said, have you forgotten that drama? That your wife will poison your eba. You will swallow 2 lumps of eba. Your stomach will start aching you and you will die. I said, director, that's my best drama. I like it. Drama don't start. Action, director, they backstage. Everybody, they watch me. Director said, okay, don't forget your wife got you angry. 2 lumps. I said, no problem, sir. Action. I wash my hand, cut about, touch soup, swallow. Cut again, touch soup, swallow. Nothing to me. Touch soup, swallow, but not they reach half. Nothing they do me. Director, they backstage, they shout, Mudiaga, die. And now I said, director, Mudiaga, die. And I make the answer, director, what you want to kill me? Now the poison. I said, I never eat them now. I they eat there, but the poison they bottom. Director, no need the sharp Mudiaga, if I but not kill you, I go use my hand kill you. I better eat that, but eat meat as I drink water, and that I go chat. Director, and the water they poison.
Okay. In one word, rate Mudiaga's performance.
Very good, very good.
It's good. Yeah, Mudiaga is one of the best in the city of Port Harcourt, and he has been doing well. Now, Payo Gee, what is your real name? Your real name that your name where father and your mother give you? Goswell what?
Gregory Pius.
Okay, Goswell Gregory Pius. Okay. Okay, that is where you got the Pius is where you got your
Payo. Then
Payo.
Goswell.
Okay. Oh, I see now. Okay. Okay, where are you from?
Akwa Ibom.
You're from Akwa Ibom. Which place in Akwa Ibom?
Nkara Obi.
Okay. So what prompted you to say okay, comedy is what you want to do? What prompted you to how did you come about being like, and you have been doing this for how many years now? Let me ask you.
4 years.
4 years. Now, invest, you don't graduate already, you guys. So you have been doing this for 4 consecutive, and you have been consistent. I know that you have been very, very consistent. Kudos to your manager anyway, Mr. Classic. So Classic has been doing amazing work on you for the past 4 years. So what prompted you into comedy? Like, were you called into comedy, or you actually called yourself into comedy? It's 2 things.
I was inspired.
You were inspired into comedy by who?
I do watch a lot of comedians.
Okay, watch a lot of comedies. That's why it came about, and the rest. So, and you have done lots of shows. You have done lots of materials, and your materials are exceptional. They're original, and your materials are matured. When I mean they are matured, some of your material like, damn, like this guy, like did he come about with all this, the thought process and the whole thing, and you do it flawlessly. You're a calm person, and you exhibit it also in your material. So, like in your family, what position are you in your family?
The last one.
You're the last. Well, there's one of your material. There's a lot of things that you said in your material. I'm not going to ask you about that. And I believe there were a joke, but I think there was some level of reality in it. I think your joke, the beauty of your joke is that there's some level of reality, and that's why it resonates with lots of people.
Yeah. Right?
So, okay, any other thing you want to tell us about yourself, about whatever that's been going on? Any other thing you want to tell us?
No.
Okay, there's no other thing. So, if there's no other thing, let's see what of Payo Gee's.
Get one church for Duke. The pastor invite Father Christmas, make one share gifts for small children. My brother, for the Christmas go thief pastor wife oh no. Now pastor carry anointing oil burst in head. See one stubborn, now ushers in rush come hold am. Now see all these girls. No be everybody wanna see where we are suit na body go begin dey shake. I like him. Ma tell una. No be everybody. Any man wanna see where we are suit. Not saying they work for sure big comedy. My brother, na Salvation Ministry member oh. We just finished Bible school. And for those of una wey no gree laugh, make una know think say na my joke go solve una family problem oh. Na need spiritual counseling. Thank you very much.
So Payo Gee, exceptional. Like let me in one word, let me rate your own performance now. You should not you rate in one word, exceptional. I mean, bold delivery and it's flawless. This material, how do you come about most of this material? You're so organized. How do you come about most of this material?
You do a lot of thinking and your environment, place you stay, church, school, anyway. So what you are doing, you're just imagining things and putting them in order.
Okay. I think it tells a lot about it, and it's flawless. All right, we have collected a lot of things from our our guests in the studio today. Remember, at the end of the month, we always do a live show, Naija Top 5 live show, which will be giving away most of the things we collected from our comedians. So just tell me in the comment section on the live show that I need our Payo Gee's wristwatch, and it could be us. Remember, so and any other thing, we're going to be giving out cash prize, gifts, lots of things at the end of the month to the most engaging audience, the most engaging viewers of this show, the most shared, the most liked, and the most, you understand what I mean? So make sure you're sharing this video to your friends, your family, and everybody you know, and wait for it at the end of the month. So thank you for joining us today. It has been an amazing show with my one of the best in the city of Patakon, Payo Gee. So Payo Gee, tell us if they want to follow you on Facebook, Instagram. What's your handle on Facebook and Instagram and all of that social media network?
Follow me on Instagram on Payo Gee Comedian, and on Facebook Payo Gee Comedian. So make sure you're following this guy so that you see more of him. He's one of the biggest in Nigeria. He's going to be one of the biggest in Nigeria very soon, and he's still growing. That is why the opportunity is boundless. And he has a crush on Emanuela. I'll call Mackenzie and tell him that this boy, they like your sister. But it's a good one. Thank you, Payo Gee, for joining us today. We appreciate you. Thank you, Clark Base Entertainment, the management of Payo Gee, for giving us this opportunity. And the man behind us, all these goodies you're seeing on Payo Gee is called Classic. Mr. Classic. Thank you, sir. God bless you. And thank you, our viewers, for joining us today. Remember, my name is Austin Okolo. I am your host for the show. See you next time. God bless you. Bye.